Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to Cuisine Stop. So today I'm gonna be making a very easy and healthy chicken dish, which is green bean chicken or string bean chicken. It's a very popular Chinese dish and it's a requested recipe for me as well. So without wasting any time, let's check out the ingredients and the recipes. So let's start with the marination first. Here I have taken around 1 pound of chicken thigh, which is skinless and boneless.
Starting with a teaspoon of light soy sauce, half of a lime juice, around 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use garlic paste as well. A teaspoon of white pepper powder, salt as per your taste, and around 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch powder.
So I have marinated my chicken pieces for around 30 to 40 minutes, which is more than sufficient for this dish. So now I'm going to fry this chicken. I'm going to use canola oil to fry my chicken pieces, around half a cup of canola oil. You can use any kind of white oil.
The oil needs to be very hot, and now add chicken pieces in a single layer. You don't need to fry them for a long time. I would say 2 to 3 minutes is enough for each side, or until this nice golden brown color. So we are done with the first step of this recipe, which is frying the chicken, and as you can see, they got a nice golden color. Now take them out from the pan and keep aside.
So I have taken out this much of oil from the pan, and now I'm going to temper this oil with dry red chili for extra hot, and some chopped garlic. I'm just going to saute it for like 10 to 15 seconds, and then I'm going to add some chopped onions, into this I'm going to add the main ingredient of this recipe, which is green beans.
I am using green beans today. You can use string beans as well.
And I'm going to cover it with a lid for around 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes, I'm just going to open my lid and check the green beans and onions. Yes, it's perfectly cooked the way I wanted it. I like little crunch in my veggies. If you want, you can cook for another few minutes. So now I'm going to add fried chicken pieces, a teaspoon of vinegar, it's white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and I'll mix all together. And a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. This is a very flavorful sauce, so we really like to add this sauce in our any Chinese dishes. It gives a nice aroma to your dish. I'll be finishing off with just a drizzle of sesame oil.
So our green beans or string beans chicken is absolutely ready to serve. You can have this with steamed rice, brown rice, fried rice or noodles.
So our green bean chicken is absolutely ready. If you try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends, because there will be lots of recipes coming over soon. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye.